Hey guys, persistent programmer over here. Welcome to another episode of PyBites. And today we're going to look at enumeration and how to enumerate over a list. So first I'm going to go ahead and show you how you would normally go over any list you're given and find out the elements in the list. Great, so I have my list of movies and what I want to return are my first three favorites. So I have four movies over here. And to do this in a normal way without enumeration, what you would do is you would say for I, which is our index, in range, and you would go up to the length of the movies. And then you need to check what is the order, right? So if index is less than 3, so we want our first three, right? So it would be 0, 1, 2. So we want up to here. This is what we want to return, our first three movies. So if index is less than 3, we will go ahead and print our movies at that index, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, great. So we have our movies and we have successfully printed our first three movies. Now, for a situation like this, we could also use enumeration. And let me go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. And it is a really powerful and easy feature to use in Python, and definitely the Pythonic way to do things. Awesome, so I've commented out the first part of the code that we wrote, and what I'm going to do here now is use the enumerate function to iterate over our movies list. So I will say for I and movie name in enumerate movies. Okay, so did you see how we have two variables here? So we have our index variable and we also have our movie name variable, which will give us these values. So instead of writing movies at that index, we are easily able to access those items when we use an enumerate function in our list. So we are able to access the movie name, which is already in this variable. So that's how we will go ahead and print our movies. So I'm going to write the same if statement here. So if I is less than 3, as I want to return my top 3 movies, what I'm going to say is print movie name. So the difference is that here we were iterating over each of our items, and for that index we were getting the name of the movie. So we can do the same thing using enumerate, which gives us access to our index and also allows us to name the item in our list, which we can easily print. Right, so this is a very useful feature because a lot of the times we need to do something with the index, and it's just so easy and clean to write it out this way. And the movie name variable identifies exactly what we are getting here in our list, right? So let's go ahead and print this. So I'm going to save and run my code. Okay, great. Yeah, so we get the same answer here, which is exactly what we were looking for. Awesome. So I can also do this. So I can say enum movies equal to enumerate. Enumerate my movies list, and I can go ahead and convert this output to a list, to another list. So when you return in our movies, the type of that is, so the enumerate returns a enumerate object, but you can go ahead and convert that into a list by using this list function here. and you can say enum movies, and this will give you a listing of all the indexes paired with the movies in a list, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and print that. Okay, awesome. So do you see how we have all our indexes here and the name of all our movies? That is very useful thing to have when you're coding, and you can just do this in just one line here in Python, which is awesome. Okay, now let's say I don't want my movies here to start with a 0, the ranking here. I want it to start from 1. So in first place, I want Annihilation, and then in second place, I want Snowpiercer, and so on. So I don't want this 0 necessarily because when you're ranking, you start from 1, so I don't want to see a 0 there. How do I do this? And it's actually really simple to do using enumerate. So what you can do is you can just say in the second parameter here where you want to start. So let's say I want to start my index at 1 here. So if I do that and then I save and run, we get our starting point here from 1, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So I want at first place Annihilation, second place Snowpiercer, and this is how I can rank my movies. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you use it. Let me know down below if you've used Enumerate before or if you use it for work. I would love to know. Awesome. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me, and I will post more PyBites videos for you guys. Happy coding, guys. Bye.